What is happening, YouTube? Today I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be finally addressing this issue that we've been dealing with for months, and that is water and condensation getting into the left headlight of our 2015 Chevrolet Tahoe. If you have a Tahoe, you may be dealing with this same issue because apparently everyone on the forums are dealing with the same issue about condensation and water getting into the headlight. GM does not want to fix it. It's not covered under warranty. It's a $1,200 fix that I've read on the forum. So I just decided today that I would just go ahead and try to fix this issue myself. I'm going to be sealing this headlight up once I get the water out of it, and then I'm also going to be replacing the blinker turn signals with LEDs and getting rid of those incandescent bulbs. I'm replacing turn signal bulbs every 2 months, so I just decided that today was the last day that I was going to do that, and that I was just going to replace the bulbs. So if you're having this same issue, let me know down in the comments and let me know what you're going to do, or what have you already done to resolve this issue, because I'm just curious to know. So just sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and yeah, thank you for watching. Really quick, I just wanted to jump on here and mention that the tools or the things that I needed to get this bumper off and this headlight assembly was a 7mm, a 10, I believe a 13, and possibly a 14, I can't remember, and I used a button popper, and that was pretty much it. Be sure to put something down when you take your bumper off, because you do not want to have it fall over and scratch your paint. So be mindful of that. As you can see now, I'm up under the truck, and there are about 6 bolts that you're going to have to take a loose that I'm showing right now, and there are 2 buttons that you're going to have to pop loose with the button popper. You'll see that right about now. So you're going to take all those bolts out and those buttons on each side, and you should be good to go at the bottom. Now up here at the top, there's 2 clips. You're just going to pull those back. You're going to push those forward actually, and then pull those back towards you. Once you've done that, there's going to be behind the grill, there's going to be 2 clips. You're going to take a flathead screwdriver and just lift them up, and then the grill should just slide right out. Once the bumper is off, you're clear to take the headlights out. The water that you see on the ground is not because it's raining. That all came from the headlight. All of that water came out of the headlight, and later on you'll see just how much more still comes out after I poured all that water out. Now, after you have gotten all the water out of the headlight, it is up to you how you want it to dry. Me personally, I just set it out all day in the sun and it dried all right. Some people use blow dryers, but do be mindful there are wires and different things like that. Your bulbs, you don't want those things to melt because blow dryers do get pretty hot. You can damage your lens. A ton of things can happen, so just be careful with that. So in the end, guys, I did end up just taking both headlights off and resealing them both because I did not want this problem reoccurring in the future. I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. 2 weeks of straight rain, still no water. So I think it turned out well, and it did not cost me $1,200. Thank you for watching.